Ecotourism is a thrilling experience. It brings together nature conservation and sustainable travel. It promotes environmental protection while also providing livelihoods for local communities. I started by creating my profile on WeNaturalists, which seemed like the perfect place to speak about my ecotourism business. I also created my organization page to introduce my business to the world. The features available on WeNaturalists enabled nature enthusiasts to connect with us easily and plan their hikes and treks. We then went on to create a circle for bringing together everyone interested in our services. Within the circle, I could easily create events and projects for our upcoming trips, manage bookings, and send regular updates, all within our people, our own gated community. Each of our treks were created as an event within the circle that allowed interaction within the project so impactful. Each participant was able to communicate and share so seamlessly. Each of these activities within the circles or individually could be shared with the world using other platforms. WeNaturalists allowed us to connect with nature lovers and enthusiasts on a whole new different level. It gives us a platform to share the real-time feeling of how our participants enjoy projects and events. We no longer need long hours to convince new participants on the experience they will have in the events. WeNaturalists, as a one-stop solution, takes ecotourism to a global audience.